So guys, today I'll be showing you how to enable mouse trail on your PC. And if you don't know what a mouse trail is, then that's the more reason why you should continue watching this video, because I'll be showing you how to enable it and how it looks. So basically a mouse trail is something like this, whereby when you move your cursor, it has a trail. So you can see that my cursor, when I move it around, it has a trail on it. So how to enable this, it's quite easy. You come to the search bar and you search for the change the mouse pointer or display. It will open up another screen. So as you can see on this screen, it's the mouse property screen. There you are presented with many options, but today what we most focus on is the mouse trail option. So you see on my side, the mouse trail icon is already on, like I've already ticked it. Hence when I do this, you guys can see the pointers. So if you want to disable it or enable it, in my case it's already enabled. I just click on it, you enable the mouse trailer. But if I want to disable it, you just click on it, and as you can see, when I move my mouse, you no longer see the trailing. And then before you cancel this, you have to click on OK or apply. If I click on OK and apply, as you can see, it's gone. And if I want to enable it again, I just come to the search bar and I go to the change the mouse pointer display, and you click on it, and then it will open this settings bar, and then you just click on the display trail, and then you click on OK again. Now the mouse trail option is back. I hope you guys found this insightful. See you on the next episode.